Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Maryland's economic data is on the screen and we need to find the GDP deflator quickly. Let's solve this macroeconomic puzzle in 3 easy steps. First, we must calculate the real GDP by adding up all the components of spending. We sum consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports to find the total real output value. Looking at our table, we add 250, 80, and 60, then subtract 40 for net exports. This calculation gives us a total real GDP of $350 billion. Divide nominal GDP of 700 by real GDP of 350 and multiply by 100. This gives a deflator of 200. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, avoid rushing, trust given data, and check your steps carefully.